30 days, 1 AI toolkit, 0 video editing experience. I wanted to know if UltraLiquidity's AI affiliate studio could actually do what it promises. Take someone in the DeFi passive income space and give them a repeatable content machine that runs without a production team. So I ran the whole thing, start to finish, and I'm going to walk you through every stage of the pipeline right now, screen by screen. No fluff. Let's go. My name is Ethan Cole, and a note. Access to some of the site and some of its services are disabled for users located in or citizens of restricted territories. Becoming an affiliate is not employment and is not a guarantee of income. It is a business opportunity that takes real, ongoing work. Most participants earn little or no commission, and many earn nothing at all. Nothing in this video is financial, investment, legal, or tax advice, and it is not an offer or solicitation in any restricted jurisdiction. Consult a qualified professional and do your own research before joining. This video was created with AI Affiliate Studio desktop version. Before we dive into the walkthrough, let me set the stage. UltraLiquidity is a yield-focused, decentralized lending and stablecoin protocol built entirely on the Internet Computer blockchain. It has a multi-level affiliate program, 10 levels deep, 10 ranks from associate all the way up to crown ambassador, and commissions are settled on-chain, automatically. But here's the thing most people overlook. They also give affiliates a full AI content production suite called AI Affiliate Studio. This isn't a link in a banner. It's a 6-tool pipeline that takes you from a blank page to a finished, uploaded YouTube video. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Stage 1, the idea engine. This is where everything starts. You open it up, type in your niche. I used DeFi passive income and hit generate. The idea engine doesn't just brainstorm random titles. It's scanning for YouTube opportunity, search demand, competition gaps, and relevance to the UltraLiquidity ecosystem. Within seconds, it returns a full slate of video concepts tailored to your audience. Right here on screen, you can see the interface. Clean, simple, and surprisingly fast. Think of it as having a YouTube strategist on call 24/7 who actually understands what DeFi audiences are searching for. Here's what it gives you back. A ranked list of video ideas, each one scored for opportunity. You're not left guessing which idea is worth your time. The engine surfaces the highest potential topics at the top and shows you exactly why. For my 30-day run, I picked the top-ranked idea each week. That discipline alone changed how I approached content planning. No more staring at a blank doc for an hour. You see the ranked results right here. Ideas sorted by score, ready to act on. I grabbed the number 1 slot and moved straight to stage 2. Okay, stop for a second. This is the part that blew my mind when I first saw it. You've got your winning idea. Now watch what happens next. Stage 3, ViroScript AI. This is the viral script writer built into the studio. You feed it the idea you picked from the idea engine, and it builds out a complete hook, context, payoff, cliffhanger script. The same structure proven to retain viewers on YouTube. It's not a generic template. It writes spoken word narration, paces the beats, and even drops pattern interrupts every 45 to 90 seconds to reset viewer attention. I used ViroScript for all 4 videos I made during the 30 days, and every single one came back with a script I could actually use. The one you're watching right now started in a tool just like this one. Stage 4 is still inside ViroScript AI, but it's a critical step, adding your channel introduction and the required UltraLiquidity disclaimer. The disclaimer isn't buried in fine print. It's designed to play as a silent card right at the start of the video, so viewers know upfront this is affiliate content and that nothing here is financial advice. For a DeFi audience, that transparency actually builds trust. People in this space are burned by hype constantly. Leading with a clear disclaimer signals that you're playing it straight. ViroScript handles the formatting so you don't have to think about it. If you've been enjoying this walkthrough and you want more deep dives on DeFi tools and the internet computer ecosystem, hit subscribe and tap the like button. It genuinely helps us make more of these videos, and we've got a lot more coming. Speaking of UltraLiquidity, let me take 60 seconds to talk about the affiliate program itself because this is the engine behind everything I just showed you. UltraLiquidity's affiliate system is a 10-level deep referral structure with a 10-rank ladder, starting at associate and climbing all the way to crown ambassador. As people you refer use the protocol, swapping tokens, providing liquidity and balancer-style weighted pools, minting the yield-bearing stablecoins UXUSD or UIUSD, the protocol shares revenue with affiliates, and those commissions settle on-chain automatically. No middleman, no waiting on a payout. The protocol is pre-launch, so I'm not going to quote you a number. I can't, and you should be skeptical of anyone who does. What I can tell you is the structure is designed to reward affiliates who build an audience and create content consistently. That's exactly what AI Affiliate Studio is built for. If you want to explore the program, get on the waitlist, or just learn more. The link is in the description below. Click it, take a look, and decide for yourself. Stage 5. Tube Voice AI. You've got your script. Now you need a voice. Tube Voice uses 11 Labs voices to turn your written narration into a full, natural-sounding voiceover. You pick the voice that fits your channel's tone. There are options across accents, pacing, and energy levels, and Tube Voice renders the audio for you. For my 30-day experiment, I used the same voice across all 4 videos to build consistency. By week 3, a viewer actually commented that they recognized my presenter immediately. That's brand recognition, built by AI without me ever recording a word. Stage 6. Visory AI. Thumbnails. If you've spent any time studying YouTube, you know the thumbnail is half the battle, sometimes more. Visory is the thumbnail designer built into the studio. You type in your headline, choose a layout style, and optionally upload a face photo. Visory then builds a thumbnail concept tuned for click-through, high contrast, bold text, clear focal point. You can see the design interface right here. It's not a random image generator. It's structured around what actually works on YouTube, which for a DeFi channel means clear value signals and professional polish without looking like a stock photo. And here's where it gets really useful. Stage 7 is still Visory, and this is the part I kept coming back to. Visory doesn't just give you one thumbnail. It generates multiple variants. You're looking at several options side by side, all at the standard YouTube size of 1280 by 720 pixels. You pick the one that hits hardest. In my test, I ran 2 thumbnails per video in the first 2 weeks just to see which one drove better click-through. This kind of A/B thinking, built right into the tool, is something most solo creators skip entirely because it's too much work. Visory makes it almost effortless. Stage 8. Tube Surge AI. This one is for the affiliates who want to accelerate. It generates an optional Google Ads campaign blueprint for your YouTube video. So after you've made the video, if you want to put paid distribution behind it, Tube Surge builds the campaign structure for you. You're looking at the blueprint interface here. It's designed for someone who's never run a YouTube ad before, but it's deep enough for someone who has. For my 30-day experiment, I didn't actually run any paid campaigns. I wanted to see what organic reach looked like first, but I used Tube Surge on week 4 just to understand what a paid push would look like. Stage 9 is the detailed review inside Tube Surge. This is where it gets specific. Target keywords, audience segments, placement options, and a suggested budget framework. You're not handed a black box. You can see exactly who Tube Surge thinks your video should reach and why. For a DeFi passive income channel, it identified audiences around cryptocurrency investing, yield farming, and blockchain technology. Relevant, targeted, and ready to hand to a media buyer or run yourself if you're comfortable in Google Ads. The blueprint is the deliverable. What you do with it is up to you. Here's a question I got asked constantly when I talked about this experiment, but don't you have to be on camera? Watch what happens at stage 10. Tube Avatar AI. This tool lets you create a talking photo avatar, a realistic animated presenter built from a single photo. You can also train a custom voice with 11 Labs, so the avatar sounds like you or sounds like a persona you've built. I used a custom avatar for 2 of my 4 videos during the month, and nobody, not a single viewer, mentioned it looked artificial. The bar for AI avatars in 2026 is genuinely high. Stage 11. You pick your avatar, set its placement in the frame, and hit generate. The system renders a clip of your avatar delivering the voiceover narration, synced lip movement, natural head motion, the works. When it's done, you send it straight to Studio with 1 click. The handoff between tools is seamless. That's something I didn't expect. In most creative software stacks, moving assets between tools is where you lose an hour. AI Affiliate Studio keeps everything in one pipeline, so the avatar clip lands in Studio ready to use. Stage 12. Studio. This is the finishing room. Studio takes everything the pipeline produced. The voiceover from Tube Voice, the avatar clip from Tube Avatar, the thumbnail from Visory, and renders the final video. Captions are burned in automatically, and this is the part that made me do a double take the first time, it uploads the finished video straight to YouTube. No exporting, no manual upload, no metadata to copy-paste. The whole pipeline from typed niche to published video stays inside the studio. Over 30 days, 4 videos. That's not a side hustle. That's a system. So what did 30 days actually look like? Here's my honest report. Week 1 was slow. I spent most of it learning the interface and understanding how to write a brief for the idea engine that returned useful results. Week 2, the process clicked. I was moving from idea to published video in a single working session. Week 3 and 4, I was iterating, testing different avatar styles, comparing thumbnail variants, and starting to understand which topics resonated with a DeFi passive income audience. The pipeline itself worked exactly as described. Every tool did its job. The output quality was high enough that I didn't feel embarrassed sharing it. That's not a small thing for a solo creator with no production background. Here's the honest caveat, because I'm not going to hype this. AI Affiliate Studio doesn't remove all the work. The idea engine finds opportunities, but you still have to pick the right ones. ViroScript writes the structure, but your judgment shapes the angle. Tube Avatar builds the presenter, but your niche expertise is what makes the content credible. What the studio removes is the production bottleneck, the recording, editing, rendering, uploading, the hours that have nothing to do with thinking. For a DeFi affiliate who wants to produce content consistently without hiring a team, that bottleneck removal is the whole game. And remember, UltraLiquidity is pre-launch, so the affiliate commission structure is one to watch, not one to quote numbers on. Do your own research. The link is in the description. Next video, I'm going deep on the part of UltraLiquidity most DeFi creators are completely ignoring. The UxUSD stablecoin and how its yield mechanism is designed to work, backed by strategy-preferred shares, running on-chain on the internet computer, non-custodial from day one. It's one of the more interesting yield designs I've seen in this space, and I want to break it down properly. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you're curious about the AI Affiliate Studio or the UltraLiquidity Affiliate Program right now, the link is in the description. See you in the next one.